In this part, we are going to discuss the uronic acid pathway, also known as glucuronic acid pathway. This pathway provides glucuronic acid, which is involved in detoxification and is essential for conjugating drugs, toxin, and bilirubin in order to increase their water solubility and excretion. Glucuronic acid pathway involves following steps. Glucose is converted to glucose 6-phosphate when hexokinase acts on it. Mutase acts on glucose 6-phosphate and converts it into glucose 1-phosphate. In presence of phospholyase, glucose 1-phosphate is converted into UDP glucose, and in presence of dehydrogenase, UDP glucose forms UDP glucuronate. UDP glucuronate is acted upon by glucuronidase to form D-glucuronate, which is further reacted upon by reductase to form L-gluonate. L-gluonate breaks into ascorbic acid and xylulose 5-phosphate, which then enters the HMP shunt. On the side, the mnemonics are mentioned in order to easily remember the substrates and products of uronic acid pathway, as well as the enzymes. In order to remember the substrates and products, the mnemonic should be good lax with cube on the alphabet G and square on alphabet U, in which 3 G's stand for glucose, glucose 6-phosphate, and glucose 1-phosphate, while the 2 U's stand for UDP glucose and UDP glucuronate. D stands for D-glucuronate, L stands for L-gluonate, A stands for ascorbic acid, and X stands for xylulose 5-phosphate. The mnemonic for the enzymes of the pathway is HMPDGR. Here, H means hexokinase, M is the mutase, P is phospholyase, while D stands for dehydrogenase, G glucuronidase, and R is reductase. Now you can easily relate the mnemonic for cramming and memorization of pathway. Subscribe for more such videos.